Hello everybody, I am Dr. Suresh Joshi. Today, BSc 4th SEM class started. Paper first is development biology. At first chapter, gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is mainly syllabi spermatogenesis and oogenesis, including their structure. At first, two questions are arised. What is gametogenesis and what is spermatogenesis? Gametogenesis is divided into two parts. Number one, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Today we are discuss second question. What is spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis is half part of gametogenesis. Starting gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the process by which gametes are produced and the gonads are known as gametogenesis. Gametes, male gametes and female gametes. Formation of male gametes is known as spermatogenesis and formation of female gametes is oogenesis. Spermatogenesis and oogenesis is known as gametogenesis. Spermatogenesis is male gametes and oogenesis is produced female gametes. Number one, spermatogenesis. Heading number one. Spermatogenesis is a continuous process and is much complicated because the spermatogenesis is a process by which haploid spermatozoa develop from germ cells in the seminiferous tubules of the male reproductive organ in testes. The process starts with the mitotic division of the stem cells located close to the basement membrane of the tubules. It can be divided into two stages. This is the spermatogenesis process, testes, and Sertoli cells. Another process in mitotic division, mature sperm. Formation of spermatites from the cells of germinal epithelium as a result of mitotic division, and other things, metamorphosis of spermatites into spermatozoa. And other things, the spermatozoa can be subdivided into two successive sections, as well as number one, number two, and other number second parts. The first compare the cell from the spermatogonium, and the second one compress the differentiation and maturation of the sperm cells. Spermatogenesis. Number one, formation of spermatites from the cell of germinal epithelium as a result of mitotic division. In mitotic division, in this phase, it mainly separated into three phases. Number one, mitotic multiplication phase. Number second, growth phase. Number third, graduated or mitotic phase, mainly known as mitotic phase. Number first, in this phase, mitotic multiplication phase is mainly type A and type B. Please note down type A and type B. They represent stem cells. It can be defined A1 spermatogonia and type B. It differentiate of A2 cells. Number second and B, growth phase. The spermatogonia formed as a result of repeated division of germ cells. Number 2, maturation of mitotic phase. In this slide is show spermatogenesis. Spermatogonium 2n is primary continuous primary spermatocytes, and they can divide two parts. Number 1, secondary spermatocytes, and number 2 sites in meiosis first. Meiosis first is divided meiosis second in N form. 2n spermatogonium is 2n, and primary spermatocytes 2n cells, and they can divide meiosis first N and meiosis second N. Then the N form is sperm. This is sperm. And secondary spermatocytes is converted into spermatides cells in N form also, and mature sperm. These are mature sperm. The change which transform spermatides into spermatozoa are under the nucleus change and formation of acrosomes. Nuclear change and formation of acrosomes. This is the complete section of spermatozoa. And another thing is oogenesis. This is the complete of spermatogenesis, not spermatozoa, spermatogenesis. And second topic, oogenesis, in next class. Okay, thank you.